The earthquake in Haiti this past January killed 250,000 people and injured 300,000 others. The images of pain and suffering tugged at our heartstrings, but out of every tragedy, it seems, heroes are born. In tonight's Healthwatch, NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler introduces us to some of those heroes that emerged from the rubble.
Gentlemen, I present our heroes of Haiti.
They are nurses and doctors from such North Jersey hospitals as Englewood, Hackensack, Holy Name, and Valley. Medical professionals who dropped what they were doing to rush to Haiti to care for the injured.
Crush injuries, traumatic amputations, open fractures, head injuries, spinal cord injuries.
They were honored Tuesday night as heroes of Haiti at a UJA dinner in Teaneck. Several of these medical heroes, in explaining their involvement in Haiti, told me they're commanded by their training as well as their faith to help heal patients, no matter where they may be.
They didn't expect to be honored. They didn't expect any accolades, but they did what we feel is important in Judaism, acts of loving kindness, tikkun olam, repairing the world.
Dr. David Butler, an OBGYN at Holy Name, is among them.
You encountered a lot of scenes that you'll probably spend the rest of your life trying to forget.
Israel was among the first nations to respond, erecting a sophisticated field hospital within 89 hours of the earthquake.
When you go to a place when there's no one else, then you feel that every people that you touch, you really serves his life, and if you weren't there, you would have been dead. So this is a great feeling.
Dr. Guy Lin, who was chief surgeon at Israel's Haitian Field Hospital, was the evening's keynote speaker.
When we gathered, we found like thousands of casualties concentrated in the streets, in the backyards.
Patients had life-threatening infections that posed difficult choices for the medical team, including amputation.
You cannot imagine your kid in such a situation.
They're really not suited for people with disabilities of that nature. They need a tremendous amount of follow-up care, physical therapy, rehab.
These heroes say they hope the people of Haiti will not be forgotten. Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, Teaneck.